Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada through English videos. So in the last video, that means in the first video, though I have made many videos about Kannada, but all of them I have made in Kannada. Most of them I have made in Kannada, but these are specially for beginners, and this will be I will be doing in English. Okay, so in the last video, day 1, we learnt about Kannada, how to pronounce Kannada letters from to all the vowels and consonants, and I told you how to or when to pronounce this letter and an. So then afterwards we wrote dictation of Swaragalu or to aha. Randomly we wrote the letters. That means we did dictation work. So now let us see how to pronounce these letters once again. That means revision. So now this is O. What is this letter? This is E. E. O. Or an. In the last video I have told you when to pronounce and an. Then this is O. This is A. O. O-U-R A-U. And E. O. O. U. A. E. I. A. I. Ru. R. U. Ru. Ah. Okay. Now first we will have to learn all these swaras. Then we can go to consonants. In the last video we have read already. We have read from here to la. So this also we have completed reading and writing. Now we'll go for consonants. So we'll write dictations. I will dictate the letters. You try to write them. I will dictate and I will also write the letters. So now first, to make it easier for you, I will dictate you. These are called ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. First letter of each row and third letter of each row. Ga, ja, da, da, ba. These are called alpaprana aksharagalu. Alpaprana. Okay. So now I will dictate this, and then kha, cha, tha, tha, pha. Then gha, ja, dha, dha, bha. These are called Mahapranaksharagalu. Okay. And this afterwards nga, nya, na, na, ma. These are called Anunasika. We pronounce them with the help of nose. So they are called Nasika means nose. So nga, nya, na, na, ma. And these are called Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. These are Vargiya Vyanjanagalu, and these are called Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. Okay. So now dictation. K. K. G. G. Ch. Ch. J. J. T. T. D. D. T. T. D. D. P. P. B. B. So these are called Alpaprana Aksharagalu. Alpaprana. Alpaprana. So less breath, because we need less breath to pronounce these letters. Ka, ga, cha, ja, ta, da, tha, da, pa, ba. Now let us write Mahaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Mahaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು means now ka, let kha. See, you need more breath. Kha, kha. Then gha. All these are Mahaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Kha, gha, and then this is cha, cha, jha, jha. Okay, tha, tha, dha, dha, then tha, tha, then dha, 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 pha, pha, bha. These are called Mahaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Okay, Mahaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Mahaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. These are Alpaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Okay. So now let us read these letters and write them in English so that it will be easy for you to follow the letters. See, ka, ka, this is ga, cha, 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 this is ja, 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 this is ta, ta, da, da, then ta is tha. Again da also da and da also da. Ka, ga, cha, ja, ta, da, ta, da. Then this is pa, pa, ba. So all these are Alpaprana ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Means ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು means letters. Okay, now this is kha, 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 gha, cha, jha, tha. For tha also we write tha and tha also. This is tha. Here also we write tha. So dha, 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 dha. This is tha, tha. Again dha, dha. For dha also dha. Pha, pha, and bha, bha. Okay. So we'll read once again. Ka, ga, cha, ja, ta, da, ta, da. Pa, ba, kha, gha, cha, jha, tha. Then dha, tha, dha, pha, bha. Okay. Now let us write ಅವರ್ಗೀಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು. ಯ, la. Randomly I am writing the letters because this is dictation. Ya, la, ra, sha, ha, la, va. One more sha. There are two sha. One is this one and one is this one, and one more which is missing, sa. So in this ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la. So now we'll write it in English. Ya, la, ra, sh, ha. Okay, this is la. This is la. This is la. La, la. Va. Two types they are used in English. Sometimes they use va for va, and some people they use w. Sometimes we use w. So va, sh. Again sh. This is sa. So now if you want to learn Kannada reading and writing, you will have to learn the swaragalu and vyanjanagalu, vowels and consonants. So try to practice these letters. In the next video, we'll try to write words. We'll try to make words using these vyanjanagalu. Okay. I hope this video has been useful for beginners. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the notifications of the videos. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.